Aluminum-free, Native Deodorant isn't a chemistry experiment, and is made without aluminum, parabens, phthalate, and talc. Natural deodorant contains naturally derived ingredients. Effective protection. We tested thousands of ingredients before finding a recipe that feels light and fresh under your arms, but provides you with effective protection against odor. Goes on easy. Native Deodorant is a solid deodorant that you can apply easily. We also use both safe, synthetic, sustainable fragrances, free of phthalate, and natural fragrances. Cruelty-free, Native Deodorant never tests on animals, except humans who volunteer to try Native Deodorant. Men's and women's, Native's high-performance award-winning formula is strong enough for both men and women. All you have to choose is your favorite scent. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite deodorant now. I used to use Schmidt's charcoal scent, but it would cause me to break out. Moved to Native and now it happens a lot less. The citrus herbal musk scent also smells great. It is pretty pricey, so I usually get them when it's on sale at a local store.